The technician assigned to body trimming carefully observes the part of the product that needs to be repaired and selects the appropriate repair work for the edge residue. He does fine engraving to ensure the integrity of the product hair. He uses paste for fine checking and mending to ensure that each defective place has been repaired. He soaks the work to remove oil and dust and rinses repeatedly with water. He blows off the leftover water on the product with an air pressure gun. Then he repairs and beautifies the animal hair pattern, followed by suitable tools to polish the bottom of the product to make it smooth. He drills holes on the bottom of the product to achieve drainage effect. Then the dust layer that may be left on the product is blown off with an air pressure gun to ensure that the product is clean and dust-free. At this point, all the process steps are completed before coloring. Presented is a flawless pre-color product.